Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best L-shaped desks available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're setting up a gaming station, a home office, or just need a versatile workspace, these desks have something unique to offer. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Lufaya white L-shaped computer desk with power outlet shelves. This desk is perfect for those working with limited space, as it features a compact 40-inch design while still offering plenty of functionality. One standout feature is its built-in power strip with 3 power outlets and 2 USB charging ports, making it ideal for charging your laptop, phone, or other devices without cluttering your workspace with extension cords. In terms of build quality, the desk is crafted from sturdy P2 particle wood, which is scratch-resistant, waterproof, and durable. The adjustable shelves are a nice touch, as they can be customized to fit your storage needs, whether you need them on the left or right side. Despite its smaller size, the desk provides a stable structure thanks to its fixed steel brackets and adjustable leg pads, ensuring a wobble-free experience even on uneven floors. While this desk excels in its versatility and practicality, it might not be the best pick for those looking for a larger workspace or premium aesthetics. However, if you're a student, writer, or simply need a functional desk for a smaller room, the Lufaya desk is a fantastic budget-friendly option. Pros include its compact size, built-in power outlets, and easy assembly, while cons are its limited surface area and lightweight build. Coming in at number 4 is the Casa Ottima L-shaped gaming desk, a dedicated gaming desk that balances affordability with functionality. Designed for gamers and multitaskers, this desk features a 51-inch carbon fiber surface that provides plenty of room for multiple monitors, gaming peripherals, and other accessories. Its reversible design allows for flexible room layouts, making it a versatile addition to any setup. What sets this desk apart is its durable construction. Supported by 8 sturdy steel legs and equipped with adjustable leg pads, the Casa Ottima desk delivers excellent stability, even during those intense gaming sessions. Assembly is also a breeze, with clear instructions that allow you to set up the desk in under 30 minutes. However, while the spacious surface is a big plus, the lack of built-in power outlets or LED lighting might be a drawback for gamers seeking a more immersive experience. This desk is best suited for gamers, students, or anyone needing a sturdy L-shaped desk for work or play. Its pros include easy assembly, a spacious design, and strong stability, while cons are the absence of advanced features like USB ports or integrated lighting. For those on a budget, this desk offers solid value without compromising on build quality. At number 3, we have the Superjair 47-inch reversible L-shaped desk, which raises the bar with its LED lighting and built-in power outlets. This desk is ideal for those who want to add a touch of flair to their workspace, as the customizable LED lights offer over 60,000 color combinations and various modes like music sync and timing. The LED strip plugs into a USB port, so it doesn't require extra power. But the Superjair isn't just about aesthetics, it's practical too. The desk includes 4 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it easy to charge multiple devices at once. The reversible design and ample shelving provide plenty of storage, while the monitor stand elevates your screen to a more ergonomic height. Its metal frame and durable particle board surface ensure a sturdy build, though some users have reported that the desk can feel slightly cramped for larger setups. This desk is perfect for gamers, remote workers, or anyone who values both functionality and style. Pros include the LED lighting features, built-in power outlets, and versatile storage options. However, its smaller size and limited weight capacity could be cons for those with larger equipment. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those looking for a stylish yet practical setup. Taking the second spot is the Agilistic L-shaped standing desk, a premium option for those who prioritize ergonomics and versatility. With an adjustable height range of 27.8 to 45.9 inches, This desk seamlessly transitions between sitting and standing positions. making it a great choice for maintaining healthy work habits. It's equipped with 3 memory presets, so you can quickly switch to your preferred heights with the touch of a button. The Agilistic desk features a spacious 63 by 55-inch workspace, offering enough room for multiple monitors, laptops, and other accessories. Its sturdy steel frame supports up to 176 pounds, making it one of the most durable options on this list. Anti-collision technology and built-in cable management further enhance its usability, ensuring safety and a clutter-free environment. However, at this price point, some might find the lack of additional features like USB ports or LED lighting to be a slight letdown. This desk is ideal for professionals, gamers, or anyone who spends long hours at their workstation. Its pros include the adjustable height, robust build, and spacious design, while its cons are the relatively high price and absence of integrated charging options. If you're looking to invest in a high-quality standing desk, the Agilistic is a top contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Siago L-shaped standing desk, a standout choice for its blend of functionality, durability, and premium features. This desk offers a spacious 63 by 55-inch workspace, making it perfect for multitasking across multiple devices. Its electric height adjustment system allows for smooth transitions between 27.5 and 45.7 inches, with 3 programmable presets and a child safety lock for added convenience. What sets the Siago apart is its attention to detail. The desk includes 3 AC outlets and dual USB ports, Type A and Type C, ensuring your devices stay charged without a tangle of wires. The high-performance motor operates quietly, and the desk's sturdy frame supports up to 250 pounds, making it one of the most reliable options available. The reversible design and included headphone hooks further enhance its versatility, while its sleek black finish ensures it integrates seamlessly into any home office. This desk is perfect for professionals, content creators, and anyone who demands the best from their workspace. Its pros include the ample surface area, built-in charging station, and robust build quality. The only con is its higher price, but the feature set more than justifies the investment. If you're looking for the ultimate L-shaped desk, the Siago is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.